Madoda, abanye bayakwata masibatshela ukuthi sifuna unumber 2 but bathi ba-challenge league. Angazi ukuthi eyiphi league eyiwina unumber 2 because basho kahle ukuthi bona bafuna ileague. The reason why Chiefs is saying ukuthi they are pushing for position 2 it is because they see ukuthi there's a vacancy there. But manje sekuyashintsha ukukhuluma, ngisazi ukuthi inkinga ikuphi, ukuthi isekhanda noma isekhaya. Kodwa sikho lapho. Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Bungenkosi, ngithembe ukuthi nikahle niyaphila. Danko, ngaphambi kokuthi siye kude, ngicela ningisize ngokulike nokusubscribe to the channel if awaka subscribe. But maso subscribeile, danko kaningi. Ngivele ngihlale udabeni. Today we're going to discuss about 3 things. It's going to be Utera Maliwa saying something about why sometimes Kaizer Chiefs doesn't get the players that they want, and it's not a matter of money. And we're gonna discuss about Kaizer Jr. denying the fact that Kaizer Chiefs wants to sign Grant Mahaman from Isolele FC. And we're gonna discuss about Isaac Cisse because hayi undaba mlonyeni, but asikho lapho, asivele sihlale udabeni. I believe ukuthi in a club a scout is very important, and a scout, for it to do its job perfectly, it needs the support of the management. But even if they give him the support to go and look at the players that they find fit to represent Kaizer Chiefs, but it's not entirely up to them also, because the teams that you want to sign the player from, they are the ones that will decide whether you get that player or not. And we know Guti, there have been this thing Guti, Kaizer Chiefs, when they want to sign a player, the prices get to be inflated. But I believe with sometimes not even about that. As a scout or head of scout, Utera Tembela Maliwa said something Uguti. I was listening to a podcast channel whereby Uguti, they were discussing, it was between him and Uvelelu Mnyandu. The name of the podcast is called African Football Connect. Lapana Utera Maliwa said Uguti, even if I can get the support from management, but you need to build personal relationships with the owners of the clubs so that it becomes easier for them to recommend players to you. Even if you want a player, it becomes easier because you know them personally, so it becomes easy to negotiate and strike a deal for a certain player. But with the Kaizer Chiefs, you know, most of the teams go PSL, they are not that keen on trying to have that personal relationship with the club. I don't know what may be the reasons, but here I want to link this with historical Isaac Cisse. But why did I talk about Utera Maliwa in this situation, but isn't ezimbili? So with Isaac Cisse from Golden Arrows, as the fans want him at Naturen to don the golden black jays, it is not easy. Even if Kaizer Chiefs might pursue him and try to persuade him to come at Naturen, it is not easy because remember, Uguti, as I've said, Uguti, you need to have a personal relationship with the club in order for you to have your things running smooth if you want to negotiate a deal for a player. But for Kaizer Chiefs, we know very well Uguti, they don't have that good personal relationship with the Golden Arrows. So it simply means Uguti, if you have that good relationship, even if that team has an offer somewhere else, they first try to reach out to you as a club that they have a personal relationship with. Are you not interested in signing this player? If you are not, and then they can go to that club that wants him. But before, you are not the top priority. Like for example, as I'm making with the Kaizer Chiefs, with the Golden Arrows, you know, they have a good relationship with the Orlando Pirates because of their owners, their relationship. So what will happen is Kaizer Chiefs will inquire about Usisi, but when they inquire, it does not mean good they will eventually get him, because first Golden Arrows have to go and ask Orlando Pirates, are you interested in Isaac Cisse now? Because Kaizer Chiefs want to sign him. Is he gonna fit within your budget in this transfer window? Maybe we can negotiate so that you can sign him. So that's why sometimes amanye players don't go to Chiefs, not because it's a matter of money. Yes, but dumile ngama free agent, but sometimes they might meet the demands of the club, the deal that they want to strike for that player, whereby with Kaizer Chiefs can negotiate an appealing release offer that they want from that club. But for the fact Guti, the relationship is not good compared to the other clubs that they have. Even if Kaizer Chiefs does bring an offer that it is appealing. So lokho kuchaza ukuthi for Isaac Cisse to Kaizer Chiefs, we won't see it happen, not unless the player forces his way out of Golden Arrows. But if it doesn't happen like that, it simply means he is as good as an Orlando Pirates player, not a Kaizer Chiefs, because a Golden Arrows player is an Orlando Pirates player. Now, it depends if the Orlando Pirates wants him because he's the talk of the town, and for his age, I think he's gonna grow well in the league, go Betway, if he finds a club that is going to nurture him, because he's still young, but he is in demand. And another thing that might happen, Uguti, instead of him going to Chiefs, but he might go to Orlando Pirates, is the fact that Orlando Pirates so far, there are no talks of a contract extension for Makahleni Makaula, of which would make Usisi a perfect replacement for Makaula. And the Pirates doesn't have to worry about a foreign quota because most of their squad, it is filled with South African compared to Kaizer Chiefs. So that simply means Kaizer Chiefs fans must make peace with the fact that they won't get to Isaac Cisse, no matter how Kaizer Chiefs might try, because the odds are against them. So I believe asikho isidingo sokusibhizi sifakele management ingcindezi engekho, because I've already explained why there's no likelihood for that deal to happen. And then we're gonna move to Kaizer Chiefs denying the fact ukuthi yena ne-Kaizer Chiefs yakubo, they are not interested in trying to sign Grant Mahamane, commenting under the post made by a kickoff online. La khona bathi Kaizer Chiefs want to bolster their squad, and he said, no, we are not interested in the player. Even though he was seen at FNB Stadium when Kaizer Chiefs won by 2-0 when they played against ETS Galaxy. So this makes us think about sometimes it might be true that they are interested, but the management or Kaizer Jr. as the sporting director, he must be professional enough not to go out there and announce that they are interested in him, because it will seem disrespectful to the club that Grant Mahamane is playing for, and also for the player also. Because it might seem like no, none vele singasamdlalisa angasabi part of the team, because already his heart is somewhere else and his mind is somewhere else. So he had to be professional in order ukuthi kungabi so bad. But it might happen vele, but I'm pretty sure this is the deal that will happen, because Umchita, his contract is coming to an end in June. That simply means Kaizer Chiefs pre-contract sekenziwe yonke into ihlangene. The only thing that will be left is for him to be announced. Angeke vele Kaizer Chiefs ayivume, But yena, as you look at the age of Grant Mahaman, he's 27 years of age. That simply means ukuthi he will be a long-term investment for Kaizer Chiefs. He'll be in the long-term plan for Kaizer Chiefs because you know ukuthi we have umaboy sekafikile kubo 30 and we need continuity in the club. And Grant Mahaman can give you the same kind of a profile of players afana nabo Phesihle Ndlovu. And Kaizer Chiefs needs a depth if it happens with they qualify for intercontinental football next season. So it simply means ukuthi basifihlela induku emqubeni because I know ke ingosiwanga bengeke entertain le ndaba le if there was nothing given to it, but he did. So lokho kuchaza kona ukuthi no, it triggered something. They were trying to be discreet about this thing, but manje seyaveza. Nyazi there will be one publication abo Austin maybe or abo Soccer Beat that will confirm ukuthi no, vele Kaizer Chiefs ikwenzile lokho. Khona bo unplayable, khona bo far post will be waiting for them ukuthi bawasho ukuthi hayi vele there was an inquiry, but free agent isobala lento le. So between Isaac Cisse and Grant Mahaman, the deal that is likely to happen is that one Grant Mahaman, not Cisse. Cisse asivele sikhohlwe njengedomi ekolweni. Angeke yenzeke. Cisse uNdlovu already there's a destination that is being given to them, which is either uyalapha or awuyindawo. So it will be up to them. But lezo indawo they were told that you are not going to Kaizer Chiefs. Into mele siyifake emqondweni, not to cause unnecessary expectations because akusizi ukuhlala ithembeni elingekho.